Yeah, that is right there.
Reykjavik Airport, ATIS information Charlie at 0900 UTC. Runway 31 in use. Expect GPS approach, runway 31. Weather at 0900 UTC, wind 310 degrees, 7 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud scattered at 1,200 feet. Ceiling broken at 2,500 feet. Temperature 9er. Dew point 6, QNH 1021 hectopascal, 30.16 inches. Transition level 70. Bird activity is moderate. Runways dry. Advise on initial contact. You have information Charlie.
Number 810 Whiskey Tango, starts up approved. Are you ready to copy clearance?
Affirmative 0 Whiskey Tango.
Number 810 Whiskey Tango, Oceanic clearance to Bravo Golf, Bravo Whiskey, via EMBLA, 63 north, 030 west, 62 north, 040 west, November Alpha, initially flight level 290, Mach decimal 72, squawk 2707.
Okay, the November 810 Whiskey Tango cleared Bravo Golf, Bravo Whiskey, EMBLA. 63 north, 030 west, 62 north, 040 west, November Alpha, 290, Mach decimal 72, squawk 2707.
Number Whiskey Tango, read back correct. 1 ready for taxi, contact tower on 18-0.
0 Whiskey Tango.
Okay, we're ready to taxi.
Reykjavik Tower, November 810 Whiskey Tango is ready to taxi from BIRK Flight Services.
Number 810 Whiskey Tango, taxi Alpha to the south, hold short runway 31.
Alpha hold short 31, 0 Whiskey Tango.
We're going to taxi Alpha, south, hold short at 31.
Correct.
Fox Tango Zulu Tower.
Tower Fox Tango Zulu, request to come in for touch and goes.
Fox Tango Zulu, we're closed for touch and goes.
Come in, Fox Tango Zulu.
It'll just be Alpha to the end.
Yes. I was just thinking the same thing.
We got that draft of warm air. It's like,
jeez.
there we go again. It's because it's cold soaked.
Oh, there's that lady in her little airplane.
Uh-oh, must have had a problem. A little bit of maintenance on the fly. Oil. See, that's what happens when you'll pre-flight. Just jump in that thing and go.
Number Whiskey Tango, line up and wait runway 31.
Line up and wait 31.
Line up and wait, runway 31, 0 Whiskey Tango. Oh, that was a quick,
Taxi 327, Echo to parking.
Echo to parking, taxi 327.
So we're going, what, runway heading?
Runway heading, flight level 290.
EMBLA is next. Cool. Get the camera ready. 1,000 foot strip, huh?
Number 810 Whiskey Tango, maintain runway heading, wind 300 degrees, 10 knots, runway 31 cleared for takeoff.
Runway heading 31 clear for takeoff, 0 Whiskey Tango.
On a clear night, I bet that observatory is nice up there.
Oh, yeah. Which is probably a rare night. You got like daylight conditions. Okay, here we go. B1. OT. Positive rate, gear up please. And yaw damper on. And yaw damp engaged. On focus, dummy.
Number Whiskey Tango, contact approach 119.0.
119.0, 0 Whiskey Tango, so long. Approach November 810 Whiskey Tango, 1,500, climbing 290.
810 Whiskey Tango approach, good morning, radar contact, left on course direct EMBLA, climb flight low 290.
Left on course EMBLA, 290, 0 Whiskey Tango. Just past the lighthouse.
You missed it.
Yeah.
There we go. We can go to manual.
Got a little more, but that's pretty good timing, huh?
Oh yeah. Got that right. That's the way we roll.
Yeah, that's
Precision.
Right. That's FlightWorks in effect. Sunderstrand, November 810 Whiskey Tango. Sunderstrand, November 810 Whiskey Tango, do you copy? Go back.
Yeah.
And November 810 Whiskey Tango, turn on from information, stand by short, break, Danish Air Force 5955, information, go ahead.
Danish Air Force 5955, we have left flight level 190. Please be passing flight level 100. Inbound the first operational point. We'll give upstall.
Well, that'll be a cool descent on video.
Next call,
Yeah.
1200.
Spiraling down in the...
Target him on, break, November 810 Whiskey Tango, turn on from information, go ahead.
0 Whiskey Tango requesting descent.
November 810 Whiskey Tango, are you not in contact with Gander?
They told me to contact you for the descent regarding traffic, and then to go back over to them to report passing 195.
Okay, that is copied. Let's see, stand by short.
It's crazy. Look at that. It's awesome.
And November 810 Whiskey Tango, send out some information, traffic.
0 Whiskey Tango, go ahead.
Yeah, traffic for descent inbound November Alpha in uncontrolled airspace is call sign Mike Foxtrot Romeo Oscar Golf. Jim aircraft is you. We'll be departing from the Narsarsuaq shortly, and we'll be climbing for flight level 410 towards Phonak. Additional traffic is a light aircraft call sign November 925 Kilo Hotel. Shortly departing from Narsarsuaq, we'll be climbing flight level 180 towards Goose Bay in Canada. Narsarsuaq is 1018 and transition level is at 100. Report passing flight level 195 to me as well.
Copy, 0 Whiskey Tango.
And November Whiskey Tango, confirm you copied QNH 1018 and transition level 100.
Copy, 0 Whiskey Tango, 1018, transition 100.
So the airport's right here. We can go out this way, circle back around, and come in around here straight in over all this stuff here. This is all some lower lane.
I'll probably call
coming up on 95. Yeah, because we can be done with him.
Gander radio, November 810 Whiskey Tango. November 810 Whiskey Tango, transitioning through 195.
Okay, roger, that's your transitioning through flight level 195. Are you in contact with Thunderstorm information at this time?
Affirmative. I'm checking in with you, and I'll go right back to them. 0 Whiskey Tango.
Okay, roger, roger, that's copy, thank you.
So long. Thunderstrad, November 810 Whiskey Tango, descend through flight level 195.
November Whiskey Tango, send out some information. Roger, report 25 nautical miles out of Narsarsuaq.
Over the top of Narsarsuaq.
0 Whiskey Tango. I have no idea where we are.
Right. I just tell them we're over the top. Got the field in sight. We're gonna switch over.
Yeah. 0 Whiskey Tango is over the field currently, and we have the field in sight.
November Whiskey Tango, send out some information. Roger, what is your current altitude?
1500 Whiskey Tango, descending.
Got it. Contact now, Narsarsuaq, airfield frequency 119 at decimal 1. So long.
119 or decimal 10 Whiskey Tango, so long.
Yep.
Narsarsuaq, November 810 Whiskey Tango.
November 810 Whiskey Tango, Narsarsuaq.
0 Whiskey Tango is descending through flight level 125, and we're descending west of the airfield. We'll be turning back in for landing.
November 810 Whiskey Tango, Narsarsuaq. Runway news is 25, wind 230, magnetic 5 knots, visibility more than 10 kilometers. View 16,000 feet, scattered 20,000 feet. Temperature 16, dew point -2, QNH 1018, transition level 100. Report 12 miles up.
0 Whiskey Tango, well, report 2 miles.
Okay, so we can enter a downwind for 25.
November Whiskey Tango, confirm QNH 1018, transition level 100, and runway news 25.
1018, transition 100, runway news 25, 0 Whiskey Tango.
And that is a face full of mountain right there.
That is awesome. So, 2.5. Oh my.
November Whiskey Tango Narsarsuaq, are you following the procedure immediately?
0 Whiskey Tango is VFR. We're going visual.
Whiskey Tango Narsarsuaq, report right downwind for runway 25.
Well, we're right downwind 25, 0 Whiskey Tango.
Yeah, it's a snug little approach in there.
You ain't kidding. With a hill on the other side? So
yeah.
What do you do, go down the valley? Not much down there either. You see the
yeah.
hole?
Yeah.
So you do have some room. Tell you one thing, I wouldn't want to be landing a 60 in here.
Not this direction.
You can kind of see on the terrain what you have there too.
Narsarsuaq, November 925, Kilo Hotel.
November 925, Kilo Hotel, Narsarsuaq.
Standing by to copy clearance, going to Goose Bay, flight level 190.
November Kilo Hotel, Narsarsuaq. Clearance en route, and traffic is
crazy.
November 8.
That's 6,000 feet.
Traffic is a Premier 1.
It's just dwarfed by all the mountains.
It is.
Whiskey Tango. Currently heading west, descending inbound for Narsarsuaq.
Okay, and do we need to copy your clearance to depart after he lands?
Narsarsuaq, 0 Whiskey Tango is 3 miles to the west. We're heading east and we're inbound, entering the downwind for 25, 0 Whiskey Tango.
November Kilo Hotel, you can depart after November Whiskey Tango has landed. And November Whiskey Tango, Narsarsuaq, wind 260 magnetic, 7 knots, no traffic on the runway.
0 Whiskey Tango. Yeah, that would have been a tailwind landing for me.
Narsarsuaq, so Mike, Fox Romeo Oscar Golf, we're testing the clearance.
That's another Premier. Frog.
Is it?
Yeah.
Mike Fox Romeo Oscar Golf, Narsarsuaq, say again.
I see incoming traffic is approaching the field. We request clearance.
Mike Fox Romeo.
Look at that glacier up there.
Narsarsuaq, your clearance is still on standby, but expect flight level 310.
Expecting level 310, good news, thank you. Oscar Golf.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Mike Oscar Golf, Narsarsuaq.
Mike Oscar Golf.
That's great.
Do you need any marshal to taxi in between the hangar and small aircraft?
If available, yes.
Roger.
Tell you what, I wouldn't want to be in here when it's windy. It's awesome.
Interesting turn of final here.
Yeah, let's see.
November Kilo Hotel, Narsarsuaq.
Airport elevation is sea level.
That's for Kilo Hotel. Kilo Hotel, runway 25 for departure, wind 270,
2,000 feet to lose on the downwind.
1018, temperature.
Is he clearing that guy to take off?
No.
Traffic Premier 1 is on downwind shortly, turning final for runway 25. Okay, we copy that. Unit H1018.
You know, take it out as far as you want there.
fine.
I mean, it's you're pinched. You're probably going to have to.
Just one turn.
Yeah, you may have to overcorrect to get back. It's a panel shot there too. Surprised the ground prox isn't yelling at us.
How's it looking over there now?
Yeah, I'd say you got room, but you want to extend to like that ridge would be center line.
Okay.
That's it.
Yep.
Speed's good, plus 20.
14. Oh yeah, this is
Good.
yep. Big green, flap.
November Whiskey Tango, wind 270 at 7, no traffic on the runway.
1,000.
0 Whiskey Tango on final.
Roger.
Very nice.
500.
And every vista you turn around gets better looking.
Oh man. Good job, man. Sweet.
Fast.
Plus 15.
That was worth the price of admission right there.
All right.
And November Whiskey Tango on ground time 47.
0 Whiskey Tango. And 0 Whiskey Tango's back taxi 25.
Approved, and Marcella coming up on taxiway Alpha.
0 Whiskey Tango.
Whiskey Tango, correction, Marcella is on taxiway Bravo.
Taxiway Bravo 0 Whiskey Tango.
November Kilo Hotel Narsarsuaq. Kilo Hotel, go ahead. Yeah, can you taxi and hold short on taxiway Alpha?
So it's a second one.
I can taxi and hold short. What?
I can taxi and hold short, y'all here.
Narsarsuaq, Mike Frog. Traffic information, those copied. Our clearance to Keflavik via November Alpha, 62 North, 40 West, 63 North, 30 West, EMBLA, Keflavik, flight level 310, Mach 6.9.
1330.
Mike Oscar Golf readback is correct, and stand by for traffic.
Standing by. So do we have to wait for the Canadair?
That's a negative. That was just traffic information.
Yeah. Okay. So we start up and we'll get ready.
So how many of our friends can say they've taken a little walk in Greenland? Where it was actually nicer than it is in Iceland. Which might make sense by name, yeah.
Right.
Hey P1D fans, thanks for riding along with me today. And as always, you can follow me on Instagram at Premier1Driver. And I don't ask for money for my videos, but if you want some cool swag, you can go to my website, Premier1Driver.com, and get yourself a cool t-shirt or hat. Thanks for watching, fly safe, we'll see you next time.